Today we're taking a look at Casetify's impact cases. Now, whilst these are their cheapest version, they are still incredibly protective for whatever device you've got. They come in plenty of colours and designs, so no matter what design or colour you want, Casetify have got you covered. I've got this one, which is the Hellfire Club.
This is Hellfire Club, not Babysitting Club.
If you know, you know. This is a great one. I asked Casetify to send me this. Now, they have sent me this as a test review unit, both of these cases, for the iPhone Pro Max, but this is not a sponsored video. I've been using their bounce case over the last couple of weeks, and I've done a video about that. If you want to check it out, I'll link it up above. Really impressive, and probably the most protection you can get from any case. But these ones, really do like them because they come with non-magsafe and magsafe capability, and they've still got their EcoShock proprietary absorption system built into the case, so you've got really great protection in here, as well as being really practical and stylish as well. This is their design where it looks like you're looking into the back of the device, so you can see the battery, the SIM card tray and everything. It's really cool, sort of a jerry-rig everything design. MagSafe compatible, this one. It comes in like two designs, like I said, MagSafe and non-MagSafe, so you can see that it's compatible with the Apple Wallet. Really do like the camera lip logo, which is on all of Casetify cases. Makes them stand out from the crowd, so you know it's a Casetify case. And it just feels really good. These cases are in part made of upcycled phone cases as well through Casetify's Casetify program. So if you've got old phone cases, you can send them back to them and they recycle them, make new cases out of them. That's a really good thing that I do like about Casetify as a brand. So yeah, feel very premium. They've got this nice grippy material on the outside, so it just feels really nice. A nice lip all around the screen as well. If you're high-fiving tables, you're going to protect your device still. Just a really nice case. Buttons are clicky still, not too stiff. You've got the cutouts on the bottom as well for the speakers and the charging ports. They feel really good. Now, if you want something a bit more out there, like this one, the Hellfire Club, Stranger Things and Casetify, I've done this sort of collaboration where you can actually have this design on your case. This case is nice because it's got like a nice embossed design on the back. Feels really premium. Now again, you've still got the EcoShock built into the impact case, so adds that added protection. All of the Casetify cases have this case is made from recycled phone case on the side, and then you've got the sort of speckled design around the rim. This one's nice, and it shows off the colour of your device, and then you've got the nice design as well. Very similar, good camera lip, logo on the side. Really do like these impact cases. They are premium, they are quite expensive, but you do pay for what you get. And that is as simple as it is when it comes to Casetify cases. Okay, that's it for this one. Do check out the discount code in the description and the pinned comment. There's a little discount if you want to grab one of these. Use the link in the description. And while you're down there, make sure you subscribe. Press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. But I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.